While you're scrolling, someone just turned a few dollars into millions using meme coins, not by chance, by following a repeatable strategy. Want to know how they did it? Chapter 1. Overview of token creation. Check this phantom wallet out. $6.1 million, all made from meme coins on Solana. Not by luck, no trading signals, just a repeatable system that works over and over again. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do the same. Now, most of you guys in my community already know this, but I used to trade meme coins every single day, but I switched to deving meme coins. Why? Because every single time I bought inside a meme coin early, something bad happened. Well, I got completely dumped on. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario happened to one of you guys. And this is exactly when I realized the truth in making money with meme coins. The real profits are not made by trading meme coins. They're actually made by deving the entire deal. Why? Because you could be the creator behind this coin. You could launch it for free, pump it up, and then dump it for thousands of dollars over and over again. That's how you make real money with deving meme coins. If you trade them, you could buy here, 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 and here and become exit liquidity for the dev. That's exactly why I switched from trading to deving, because now I am the creator of my coins and I decide when I want to make some money on repeat. It's a cheat code. You guys will see and you guys will learn. Make sure to keep watching because I will be gatekeeping the sauce. Right now, Solana Bitcoin is pumping. You guys need to keep watching. It's the best time to start deving. And by the way, bro, before we continue, you have to know that this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and everything is fake. Stop now. Instantly, when we talk about meme coin deving, we instantly think about launching coins on Pump.Fun. Now, the truth is that Pump.Fun is overcrowded. There's too many coins launching at once, and 99% of all these coins get buried before they even trend. There's no visibility and you do not even control your own coin. For example, if you launch a Memecoin and you're already up a couple $1,000s in profits, you cannot even cash out that money because you don't control the liquidity pool. It's Pump that controls it, not you. And that's exactly why I completely switched over to Solana tokenlabs.io, because this platform is in fact different. All your tokens get directly launched onto the Raydium DEX, which means it will skip the bonding curve and go directly to the migrate section, viewed by thousands and even tens of thousands of potential traders. And that's how you make generational wealth on your meme coin, because it's faster, it's cleaner, and you have full control over everything, which means you have full control over the liquidity pool from day one. Now, bro, if you're looking for profits and visibility, Solana tokenlabs.io is the method for you. Now, here's how to create a Memecoin on the Solana blockchain, and here's how it works on this platform. Chapter 2, hunting viral meme coin. Now, go on X and look for a narrative that is trending. It could be literally anything. Let's see if we can find a quick example. Usually Elon Musk tweets do really well and can print a lot of money, like this right here, eating an onion. What it does, that's not bad, you know, but yeah, you could go on TikTok or Instagram if you want, but it's up to you once you have a good narrative. Chapter 3, token creation. All right, let's launch this coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how simple and fast the whole process is. But for my new viewers today, I'm gonna make manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. Connect your wallet, you'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this HBTC because of Halloween and shortening it to HBTC to keep it catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, I'm writing HBTC. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website. but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana tokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or mo like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run, so leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Chapter 4. Add liquidity to the token. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Moving forward, return to Solana tokenlabs.io and select create liquidity pool, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to Solana tokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting HBTC as the symbol and HBTC as the project name. Press add user token to confirm, then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.5 SO fee from your total amount cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 0.25%. After triple checking all your inputs, select initialize liquidity pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable. Chapter 5, promoting Memecoin. Alright, so promoting your meme coin has never been easier. Forget about wasting hours posting on Telegram and Reddit. That old school method is dead. Today, I'm showing you how I use promotememes.com to get instant exposure across Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and even Twitter and Telegram. Plus, how to build a free professional website for your coin in seconds. Let's get into it. Once you're on promotememes.com, connect your Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom here. Click connect wallet, confirm the pop-up, and that's it. Wallet connected, ready to go. Plus I show you the flow, take a second to scroll. You'll see why this platform's a game changer. It's trusted by top tracking platforms, promotes across 20 plus crypto sites, and even gives you visibility on Dex tools and SolScan automatically. It's literally your one-stop launch companion. Alright, now back to the form. I'm pasting my token address right here. Just grab yours from Solana tokenlabs.io and drop it in. Next, pick your promotion type. They've got a free 1-minute test, but I'm going with the advanced 60 minutes option. It costs 0.5 SOL and shows the full potential. Here's the fun part. This new update lets you instantly create a free website for your token. Just toggle on include free website. Upload your logo, enter your token name. I'll name this one HBTC and select your launch platform like Raydium or LaunchLab. Pick your theme. I usually go with dark, then confirm. Done. The website preferences are saved automatically. Now we're ready to go. Hit pay and promote. The phantom window pops up. Unlock your wallet, confirm the transaction, and watch the process in real time. It's building your website and promoting your token at the same time. Literally hands-free. Almost done, and boom, website ready. It shows your custom website link. Just copy it or click visit website. Let's check it out. Here's our live token website, fully generated in under 2 minutes. We've got the logo, token name, and live on Solana badge. Scrolling down, you can see all the sections already filled: token details, supply, tokenomics, buy buttons, even real-time chart tracking links for Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and Dex tools. It looks completely professional and instantly ready to share. Now here's what makes this so powerful. While your website's live, the system automatically shares your coin across all major crypto communities: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and smaller alpha groups that you wouldn't even find manually. So for the next hour, your coin gets visibility everywhere. No manual posting, no burnout. Within minutes, you'll start seeing chart activity on Dex Screener, live trades, real traction, and early buyers jumping in. This is the same automation I use for every launch. Chapter 6: Remove liquidity from the token. Go on Photon, Bird Eye, Axom, do whatever the fuck you want. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. And now the coin is pumping. Oh my god, bro, we just got a big buy. Let's go, keep it pushing. Oh my god, we're gonna dump the coin. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, we're getting so many buys, bro. Okay, now let's rug the coin. Come on, come on, come on. Bro, I think I have to stop being emotional because, bro, this coin literally costed $0 to create and it's just pumping over and over again. 2k market cap, 1.23k liquidity. Things are looking insane. Come on, bro, just fucking pump it, bro. $50 right here. Let's go. Come on. HBTC is looking fucking juicy. Yo, this is why I love SolanaTokenLabs.io mixed with Raydium Dex, bro. You get a fucking ton of buyers, you get a ton of visibility, and bro, it cost us $0 to create the coin, and we're getting all these organic buyers. Come on, I think I'm gonna wait a bit, and when I am back, we're gonna make some money. So be right back. Okay guys, I am back now. As you guys can see by the chart, it went up, it went lower, and now it's spiking. We're at a 4.3k market cap, 2k liquidity. Let's make some money. To exit your position, head over to Raydium. Ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area, and there is your current position profit time. First click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%, and as you guys can see, we are now up $1,840 in official profits. Ignore everything except the SOL value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 9 SOL around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. Nothing beats this high. And by the way, bro, before you click off and go launch a Memecoin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.